The Orbit 530 Dash Cam. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Orbit 530 Dash Cam by myGEKOgear. This features a Super HD and can take footage at 1296p. I'll go over some features and provide day and night footage. This was sent out for me to review. As always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, power cable, a windshield mount with 3M adhesive, and a suction mount. The car power adapter, and a 16 gig micro SD card. This features a 1296p camera, Sony sensor, a 140-degree field of view, 2-inch LCD screen, and a max capacity of a 64 gig micro SD card. There's also an app to manage your media and a few driving safety features that I'll go over shortly. The dashcam is fairly small in size and has a nice 2-inch display. The back features the following: return and lock button, up and replay, down and menu, the OK and LCD button, and the LED indicator. On the left side, you have the power button and the micro SD card slot. The right side has the micro USB port, reset button, and microphone. And on the top, you'll find the bracket slot. Navigating through the menu is pretty straightforward. You can also switch from photo to video modes and review your media. The menu settings and features are along the lines of your typical dash cams. It's very intuitive and easy to navigate. You have resolution, loop recording, time and date, microphone, driving safety, record modes, and so on. You can also download the myGEKOgear app to manage and access your media. Here you can see it mounted. The wire has not been ran to a permanent position yet. The dashcam also comes with some driving safety features and can alert you to turn on your headlights. Here I will cover the front to simulate darkness, and you can see the headlight icon pop up, and you will also hear a beep. It also has a stop and go. If you are at a light and traffic starts to move, you will see an icon that will alert you to go. Along with the driver fatigue will alert at a specific interval. And now here are some day and night footage. Overall, the dashcam performed really well. The footage is nice and clear and never got pixelated. Signs and license plates are easy to read. Navigating the menu is very easy, and the display is a good size. The form factor is just perfect, and it doesn't take up much space on the windshield. The Orbit 530 dashcam provides terrific value, and this is a good dashcam if you just want peace of mind and security.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet,
hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.